Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm the DeFi Doctor, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters, and today we need to discuss something significant. As the bull market is poised to take off and more people are now embracing digital assets, with BTC setting new all-time highs, scams are also on the rise. You must stay aware and protect yourself from these types of scams. Stick around as I break down what's going on, how you can protect yourself, and what you can do if you come across this type of scam. There has been a significant surge in scam calls lately, with individuals pretending to be from Coinbase. They sound professional, they know your name, and they'll tell you your funds are at risk and they need to be moved to a safe wallet. This is a complete scam. Hang up immediately and don't engage with them. But here's the part that shocked me. The emails that they're sending look like they're coming from Coinbase.com, not some sketchy Gmail account, official looking emails that are designed to trick you into thinking they're real. This is a major red flag. I honestly believe they're either spoofing the domain or even worse, someone on the inside is helping them. They're using fear and urgency to manipulate you, and it's getting harder to spot. Let me say this as clearly as I can. Coinbase will never call you or email you asking for your wallet info. No one at Decentralized Masters, including me, will ever ask for your seed phrase. And if someone does, that's a sign. It is a scam. Your seed phrase is your vault. Giving it away is like handing over your entire bank account, credit cards, and social security number all at once. Online security is more important than ever, especially with the increasing number of scams. And speaking of securing your digital assets, I'd like to recommend a solution that can help you elevate your online protection to the next level: NordVPN. With all these scams on the rise, having a VPN ensures your internet connection stays secure and private. We've partnered with NordVPN to offer you an exclusive deal. You can get 76% off their Prime plan, plus a $50 Amazon gift card, limited time offer, and varies by plan. If you're already using NordVPN, you can still take advantage of this by creating a new account with our exclusive link. Make sure to click the link in the description below and claim this offer to protect your online data while supporting the community. What you should do if you get a scam call or email. If you receive a call, a text, or an email like this, don't act on it immediately. Pause. Think before you do anything. Here's what you need to do. Go log in to your Coinbase account directly through the website or app. Reach out to Coinbase support to verify whether the message or call you received was legitimate. Ensure you have a Coinbase One account, as it provides 24/7 support to help clarify any questions you may have. If it's an email, don't click any links. Go directly to the official Coinbase website and log in. Always double check by visiting the site yourself. These scams are becoming increasingly sophisticated, but we're staying one step ahead. Please stay alert. I don't want to see anyone in our community get hurt by something like this. Remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone. Don't trust any unsolicited calls or emails, and always verify before you act. So, please stay safe out there. The goal here is to make sure you're equipped to spot these scams before they can cause harm. If you're ever in doubt, always contact Coinbase support directly. They're the official source of assistance. Remember, this is all about learning how to protect yourself in the digital asset space. If you're new to this world, don't hesitate to ask us questions and take the time to understand what's real and what's not. We're here to help guide you through it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth updates, security tips, and digital asset news. As always, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you've encountered any of these scams or if you have any questions at all. Stay sharp, my friends, stay decentralized, and I'll catch you in the next one.